Hey guys, I want to make this quick. Now my outro is going to be the same as my intro, so this little bit I'll put in my intro. I know it's kind of complicated, but the reason why Blossom is going to the vet is because she's been displaying some abnormal behavior, and now you'll see few clips from the vet. Okay guys, we're back. Now the thing with Blossom is I explained to him exactly what she was doing, and basically, you know, her rear end, she would lift her tail up and she'd be displaying all kinds of hormonal behavior. I had Dr. Evan who helped me today, and he did say that it's not very normal for someone as young as Blossom, because Blossom's 8 months old right now. I went because I had more concerns, and the last thing I wanted is to be rude to my vet. And you know, when you have concerns of your bird, you don't want to have your camera in front of your vet's face. It just, to me personally, sometimes it could come across as a bit rude. But Blossom's fine, everything's fine. Now she still displays those slightly abnormal behavior. I wouldn't say abnormal, but they're very normal for a cockatiel to display, but not as young as Blossom. But if she still continues doing it, we will be bringing her back in, and there will be a blood panel. But we checked for eggs and stuff. You know, he could feel around her vent, and there's nothing like that, no concerns of eggs or anything. She also pooped, and he said her poop looks normal, so everything's normal. She did scream a lot, and she is a bit kind of shaken up, but everything's well. She's doing perfectly fine. And it was a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.